This is my love for traveling, and this is the reality when I cannot travel. This is me Nehansu Gautam, and you are watching me on NG World. अहिले NG World पनि traveler tech मै घुमिरहेको छ, and I have an interesting bag with me. आउनुस् के छ हेरौँ. Well, bag देखेर हजुरले guess गर्न सकिहाल्नुहुन्छ, but just make a guess flip हो कि fold हो. Let's take it out. And here comes the beast. मसँग चाहिँ यो तीनटा प्रोडक्टहरु रिटेल बक्सेसमा छ. अरु रिभ्युअरहरुले गरेको जस्तो रिभ्यु युनिट हैन. मैले प्री बुकिङ गरेरै सबै प्रोडक्टहरु लिएको छु. I have Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, flip cover for the phone with S Pen and the phone itself. Let's flip it. यो fold हो but let's flip it. मैले उल्टा राखेको छु. Now let's unbox it and see what's inside. अनि unboxing feel कस्तो आउँछ म हजुरलाई शेयर गर्ने छु. And full review चाहिँ हजुरलाई म फोन टेस्ट गरेपछि भन्नेछु. Let's keep these aside and start with the watch. Now, manuals. Do we need this? Nope. And the watch itself. Lagam. The box like side ma rakhera phone kholam. Kulana. The plastic like chadim. Not just. This looks pretty. And यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा सानो बट्टा मात्रै छ. फोन भन्दा सानो छ. With a charging cable and some manual and SIM ejecting tool. यो पनि अहिले साइडमै राखौँ. Now comes the cover. Book, flip cover, cover, and the S Pen that is specifically made for the Z Fold edition. Because Z Fold मा हाम्रो अरु कुनै फोनको पेन चल्दैन. यसलाई चाहिँ यसरी भित्र हाल्ने हो. Yep, this way. मेरो भिडियो लास्टसम्म हेरिदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. Once again, this was Nehansu Gautam from NG World signing off.